Bodega Boys.
This is ABC News. We're coming back with exclusive footage from Bob Woodward's groundbreaking book, where he talks to the president, who reveals he knows a lot more than he's given on. Let's listen to some of the footage. So, Mr. President, you're telling me you've known a lot of things. You're telling me you knew in advance that the Knicks were not going to get Zion?
I mean, I knew in advance. I rigged the lottery, actually, because New York is a Democratic city, and I hate it. It's terrible. It's in shambles, as everybody knows, and I wanted to contribute to that because I'm a hater. Also, I bet you did not know this. Area 51, we discovered it. We declassified it. Yes, it's amazing.
Mr. President, that's shocking. Are you telling me that you've known that we've had aliens in this country and you've never told the American people about this?
Well, I mean, I didn't want to cause a panic, I wanted to make sure that the aliens, first of all, were not dubs, because I do not accept dubs. If you're an illegal alien, you must be fly, like Melania. But I tried it out. Got a little double tappy from the Alien for Predator. It was good. Lot of teeth, but good experience overall.
So you're telling me that you got throat and mouth from an alien?
I absolutely did. You know the movie Aliens, where the mouth comes out of the mouth? Feels amazing. Feels amazing on your peen. It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. And I've had my penis touched many, many, many times. And when people when they see my penis, all they say is, "Wow, that's an amazing penis." That's a bigly penis.
Mr. President, what other secrets have you been keeping from the American public?
Well, actually, to be frank with you, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just dumping stock. I'm buying. Tim Apple is actually. I had sex with him. We did a thing. Me, him, and David Bowie before he passed away. We had a menage a trois. Wow. Yeah. R.I.P. to the god. Let's do an AMA. Let's do an AMA. Ask me anything you want. Anything you want to know, Bobby. You're my guy. I trust you with. I know you will take my secrets to your grave.
Okay, Mr. President, is there actually a vaccine for coronavirus?
Yes, actually, I take it every day. I've taken it. I took it back in March. Actually, I just wanted to cause combustion in the country. Because, I like to fuck shit up.
That you do, sir. That you do.
Bobby, I like to get turned up. Remember that time? And we were at Pebble Beach?
What happens in Pebble Beach stays, like you said, sir. That is the opposite.
Remember that?
Listen, that is the opposite of cap, sir. Oh, jeez.
So, these libtards are just trying to get me out of the paint, and they can't. Because I could shoot a guy on Fifth Avenue. As a matter of fact, I did, and I had to cover it up. That's another thing that people did not know about me that now they know. So, I just don't give a fuck, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's how I'm moving in 2020. You got anything else?
No, that's it. I think we're running out of time, sir. Do you have any last statements you'd like to say to the American people?
Well, finally, I want to close with this. Suck my dick from the back. This is episode 218 of the most dangerous podcast in the world, Bodega Boys. If you don't listen to it, you know what you are? A sucker and a loser. And I don't like suckers or losers. They're sad. Do the fucking drop. Now. Do it now.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
I'm not a sucker, so I don't need a bodyguard.
No!
Episode 218.
This nigga King started with real hip-hop.
Real hip-hop right out the gate. Episode 218, the world's most dangerous podcast. And you know what it is?
Bodegaversary.
Bodegaversary. 5 years in the game.
That's right.
5 years
Half a
fucking
decade.
shit up. That's right. That is right. You know the vibes. Remember?
When you say shit like that, it makes it sound mad long. Like, half a decade.
Half a decade. That's only 5 years. Think about it, though. If you go into jail and the judge goes, you got 5 years, he's like, all right, I could probably do it. You're going to jail for half a decade. You're like,
oh, shit.
Oh, you got to put your hand up like, Your Honor, I'm not good at math. So, like, could you show me using your fingers? What if the judge was like, look, All right. You have 3 apples. All right. I'm going to give you 2 additional apples for the stolen gun. How many apples do you have altogether? Count each one.
5 guns.
No. Oh,
5 guns. You giving me 5 guns? And then I can go?
Oh, boy.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Yo, legal lawyer nigga, man. What the fuck? What is he trying to say? I think what he's trying to say is you're going to jail.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail for 5 years. 5 years doing jail. Imagine you got jail. You next to fucking what's his name from Subway?
Jared.
Jared,
jail says. Yeah.
We need to do a horror movie with just Jared chasing people. He just keeps humming that. Like chasing you like $5. $5 penis. Daddy, check under my bed for the Jared. And it's super dark. It's like, he took her to Jared. Like, the mother opens the door and the kid's missing. It's like, yo! Give me back my child.
The watch, too, is that this is the Jared jewelry? Like, that slogan that took her to Jared?
Exactly.
I'm like, y'all might want to reconsider. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Or unless, I feel like, if Jared happened in 2020, we wouldn't even talk about it.
Oh, no.
That's how wild 2020. Like,
it wouldn't even rose. But yo, as always, sponsored by Cash App. You know the vibes. What else we got going on? Virtual book tour still going. Go to bodegahive.com. We still got shows on deck in 10.
Yes.
And
September
the book is still available.
The next one.
The book is still available, baby. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And then we also have shout out to Oddfellows. Got the ice cream on decky.
Yo, doing numbers.
So good. I finally got around to get the Chico stick. Yeah, listen, they did something there. Something there. Like,
that shit slaps.
Okay.
Yo, I am gonna go on the record as saying that every single flavor in that capsule is fire.
That's true. That is true. That is not as the kids say, cap. That is as we New Yorkers say, that is not fitted. Okay. That's new slang. It's not fitted. All right.
Yo, it's not
lying.
fitted,
yo. You got.
Word?
You dropped 40 points on Stephon Marbury at the Rucker. That's fitted.
Man, that's 5/7/8.
Yo, this nigga think I'm new era. What's wrong with this nigga? Huh?
This 59-50 ass motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here.
This nigga think I'm a snapback. Fuck out of here. This nigga think I'm a pork pie hat. Like, whoa, all right, relax.
Yo, chill with the Dolan slander.
Okay. This nigga, I look like a fedora to you? They're like, yo, relax. That's Pop the Trunk music there. It's like, what's up? I'll meet you outside the Cotton Club.
Fuck you
like,
say, nigga?
But the nigga that shoots you with a fedora, he has that gun that only has 2 bullets. He's like,
the little shit. What do you do after the 2 bullets?
You better hope you hit with one. Oh,
that
man.
Be loud as fuck.
That's what you had to walk around with in the 17th century when you went to the bodega to make sure you ain't get robbed. They gonna run up on you, take your stockings, take your wig. Yeah,
take your britches.
Give up ye old goods.
Yo,
give up ye old goods.
It's
chill.
It's thou juxing me?
Thou is jux. Thou consider themselves. Thou is jux. Okay. Doth jewels. Okay.
I will runneth mine jewels, because I must respect thine jux.
Okay, respect the jux, bro.
That's real. You gotta respect the jux, unless you know who it is, and then you can go clap them.
Yeah, but then unless your stuff is insured. Because then, if your stuff is insured, you can just buy new shit.
Exactly.
So, then it's a respect thing. Because then, what if the person gets on IG Live and they like, look, I got Desus chain, I got Mero's chain. These niggas is pussy, and then you're like, you can't do that. Then you gotta call.
It's fake. That's why you gotta get mad generic chains, like Jesus piece on a Cuban. Like that could be anybody's chain.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
That's true. I'm gonna call, but they say if you get your chain pulled, you gotta be able to call someone to get your chain back for you. If you don't got time for that, because if you can't.
Niggas send their assistants.
Yeah, send your assistant like, hi, I'm gonna need that chain back.
Hey, hi. That just rolls up to the shooter's crib and
like, hello.
houses. Like, hello,
I'm here to get Desus' chain back.
Fuck out of here. Like, dude,
no, you have to give it to me.
No, fuck you. Get the fuck out of my house.
Nah, you don't understand. I'm not from here. I'm from
Yo, I
Venezuela.
said
I will chop your neck. Give me the fuck.
what?
Oh, you don't. Oh, I got one too. Shh.
It's like, yo.
Standoff.
It's like,
Gotta get the chopper on deck.
got the chopper. Listen, I tell you, don't confuse me like Stephon Marbury out this bitch. Run up on me at the light. That might take your life, okay?
Right.
Oh, man. Now, if my chain gets taken, I'm going to go to Jay Prince. I'm going to call him and be like, hi. Hi, can I speak to Mr. Prince? Hi, can I speak to Jay? Hi. Hi, Jay. Big fan.
Hey, you got to FaceTime with him with the book in the background? Like, yo, I just got finished reading the book. Amazing book.
Jay, remember us? Did I say remember you looked at me and I could tell like you were thinking about killing me, but you didn't? Remember that? So, like, these guys took my chain. Wacky, right? Anyway, yada, yada, yada. Need to get it back. Call me back when you got a chance, baby. Later. I'm just calling from Calabasas. My feet in there. Jay Price, baby, what's going on? It's Desus. Hey, listen, got jukes yesterday coming from, brunch at WeHo. My fault. Should have checked the Uber before I got in it. My Tesla's in the shop. Anyway, such a kabobble. They cooked some of my gemstones. Mero's got, one of his kids got the bar mitzvah coming up. Got to come looking dripped. Jay Prince, baby, do me that favor, boobala. Get those chains back. Talk to you later. We'll do some avocado toast. Talk to you later. Bye.
Then he just leave a voicemail like, I'ma handle it.
Oh, thank you, Jay. Thank you.
And then you have the news comes out, it's like 10 bodies found in a river in Memphis. You're like, yo, what the fuck? Yo, Jay, chill, man.
You wanted your chains back or not? Matter of fact, I got your chains back. Okay, now that you got your chains back, now I need you to do a favor for me.
Oh.
I'm gonna call you one day. I'm not gonna tell you when. Could be today, could be tomorrow, could be in 20 years. But you're gonna have to do that favor for me, no matter what it is I ask you to do. Jay Prince, motherfucker, 2020, Trump, we out.
Yo, I'd vote for Jay Prince right now.
I feel like we wouldn't have a choice. I feel like a lot of people would vote for Jay Prince. A lot of people would vote for Jay Prince just to be safe.
Coup.
Like, yo,
that'd be a hard coup.
Okay. Matter of fact, I don't. We've been kind of slanderous on this podcast. I think I might just vote for him out of safety. Okay.
Yo, we put it as a write-in. Jay Prince as a write-in.
Jay Prince 2020. Jay Prince 2020, motherfucker. We'll walk in the store just like, I don't hear enough rap-a-lot music being played.
Huh?
Well, y'all better fix that. What's wrong with y'all? Oh. As always, shout out to Red Bull Studios for giving us a chance to begin.
That's right.
This beautiful, sexy little Zika baby of a podcast with his small head. Remember our podcast where somebody was like, yeah, go ahead. Why don't you restart your little podcast? And we did.
Stupid.
That worked
what
out.
Are you doing now? Making coffee for somebody at VH1.
Woo! That just turned me into Little Richard. I was like, wee! Whoa.
I'm power drunk.
Yes. All the wonderful times. Shout out to everyone that's been there from episode 1. Remember, episode 1, we got wings. We were like two humble little urchins out of the Bronx, super excited to go to the VMAs.
Yo.
Talking about it months later.
Fam, you know how like fucking parents be like, yo, milestones, look at my baby's first step. I'm like, yo, dog, we went to the VMAs, remember that? We were so hyped, and then we got the Range Rovers, and then the whole episode, like, it was like an infomercial because we were so hyped. Like, yo, hey, nigga, yo, this shit got lights, yo, this shit massaged my ass, yo.
Bro.
The seats are heat and cool. God
so
damn.
many tentpole episodes where we went to, the network we shall not discuss, and we were all hyped up for that. Oh, man. Good times. These are good times. Then we had the when sadly the first Red Bull caught on fire, so we couldn't do any more episodes at Red Bull for a little bit. Then we couldn't get any schedule time at Red Bull, so we had to go to the 0.5 episodes. Y'all remember those? You remember how loud they were? Remember the sound was terrible? We didn't know what we were doing.
Studios.
Shout out to Donovan, the homie, coming through. Let Let us, record there. Oh, there's so many illustrious podcast titles. Black Pipes Matter, Airbnb the Pussy. Woo. Woo. Episode, oh man, Blizzard Babes, Your Favorite's Problematic. Your Purim Brings Life. Oh, such good ones. Where's Lake Tahoe? From a POC, Respect the Church. Oh, micro progressions. Wash Fest. Oh, Rob 80K. Listen, we got joints, and then of course the most illustrious episode ever. Rest in peace.
Yo,
the episode that was murdered by someone from Detroit. Just shot in the head and left for dead.
It's just somebody in the 313. I don't know who it could possibly be.
Okay, all right. Everyone's like Black Lives Matter and all that. Respect. Defund the police. Where were you when Almond Fest was shot down in the middle of the streets? Huh?
That's right.
Huh? Where were you?
Huh?
Where was the protest?
How dare you?
Huh? Say his name.
What was the action then?
Say Almond Fest name. Oh man.
Please.
Just to be safe. Just to be safe. Just a little problematic light. You can never be. Shout out to the problematic light. It's development, how it didn't exist, and then we had to make it because niggas was wildin'.
For real.
Niggas was wildin'.
I feel like was a problematic light just like a verbal? Like before it predates the soundboard.
Yeah.
By like a lot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's back when we were trying different things and different sound systems and the iPad and all that stuff. And then listen, we've been doing this podcast so long, we've moved to different studios. Like rest in peace, Milk Studios don't even exist no more. The Opium Den.
Facts. That was that shit smelled like parliaments at all times.
But when you walked in, you felt comfortable because you knew it smelled like whatever you wanted to do, you could do there, bro.
You could do it.
Nobody will stress you, bro.
Yo, now that shit is like a Google headquarters, and there's definitely nobody shooting dope in the jam room right now.
Oh,
sad state of affairs.
They're probably testing out some sort of new Google dope. Like,
Google dope.
Google dope. It's free,
Google
but they just steal your
food?
information. Yeah, bro.
Yo, you want a hot bag, bro?
Yeah, bro. You want a digital hot bag? Huh?
Yo, agree to the end user license agreement, bro.
Bro, I got this from my guy Jeff Bezos and shit, bro. Come on.
Yeah, bro, just scroll. You don't gotta read it, bro. Just scroll down and hit accept.
Bro, don't use that Google shit. Use this Amazon crack, bro. It's better. Like, bro,
come on, bro. It's way better.
It's basically the same thing, and you can prime it. You should be able to prime crack. You should. Listen, when you use like Fresh Direct and all that stuff, they're picking up stuff for you. So, I mean, if you be like, yo, let me get 4 avocados, a pound of bananas, some Vienna sausages, and 2 krills on your way back. 2 krills.
That's it.
Like what?
That's all I need.
Come on, bro. I ain't ask you like a personal decision. I ain't ask you to, just get the krills. And go in there, and you could be like, yo, these krills are not for me. You'll have on the badge, you'll have on the vest, you know it's not for you.
You know what I'm saying?
Krills.
Listen, they don't even got to be jumbos, bro. You know what I'm saying? You could come through with some little rocks. You know what I'm saying?
Can you buy my krills? Can you buy my krills? Can you buy my krills? Can you buy my ordinary krills? People forget Beyonce was out there singing about crack. Okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Cameron famously said, he's like, yo, had your shorty singing about slinging crack.
All right. And don't forget that also the other remix where she was really addicted with Wyclef. She was like, krills, 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 krills. Remember?
Yo. Oh, but yo, happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy belated birthday.
I'm so smacked. I was like, it's not my birthday, stupid. What the fuck? like, your birthday's near my birthday, bro. Come on, bro.
I was like, I don't even know my kid's birthday. I know your birthday because it's like 2 days after mine.
I know your birthday, but I don't know what month it currently is. So, like, I can't. Bro, there's baseball and NBA playoffs on, and they're talking about football
and hockey.
And then, like, Yankee games are starting at, like, 12 p.m. And no, it makes sense.
Nigga, I'm sitting down watching badminton, like, by accident. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like, I'm just like, yo, go Yankees. What did they do? I don't know. I watch.
And then you'll watch some sports event, and then you'll get, like, 20 minutes in, and you look in the corner, they're like, yo, this is a rerun. You're like, what? But why would you show this again? What? And the TV's like, yo, you watched this last night. You watched this last night. Don't you realize you saying wow at the same shots you were saying wow to yesterday? I'm like,
hello?
Nah, that can't.
You really thought Scott Brocious was still on the Yankees?
They're like, yo, check your timeline. You live tweeted this game yesterday. I was like, I did my first. They're like, yo, you just said LeBron got a block. Now watch. And LeBron gets the block. I was like, ooh, okay, all right. You might. You know what? I'm gonna watch a little longer just to be sure. So
okay.
I'm trying to put a bet on the game. Getting more frustrated. Like, what's wrong with the game? Why is the game grayed out? Come on.
Why does it say final? Like, what the
that?
fuck? It's not the finals yet.
Come on, bro. What is this? What is this shit, bro? It's only the semifinals. Oh.
Oh, God.
Shout out to the Yankees who had a terrible, one of the worst innings I have seen as a Yankee fan in quite some time. How do you give up
that was
10 runs? How do you give up 10 runs in one inning? This ain't MLB Power Pros, my nigga.
Dog, when Mero Jr. was in T-ball, they would call a game after some shit like that. They'd be like, yo, stop. No, we're done.
That's embarrassing, bro.
Yo, get him out of there, dog. He's scarred for life.
See? Because the Yankees want to play pussy games and throw at people ahead of time. That's when you throw at people. All right? If someone's going to put 10 runs up on you and you ain't got the bats to like get out of that 10-run funk, you got to start plunking niggas. You already lost. Fuck
That's it.
Somebody could.
Listen. That's the one unwritten rule we fuck with. Plunking motherfuckers.
Also, and can I say this? I'm going to just say this. A lot of you baseball players, I feel I'm going to jump out here. Some of y'all are pussy. I'm throwing this out here because you see the pitch. Sometimes the pitches come wild close inside and they step out the way because they won't get hit. However, you get hit, that's a base right there.
You get a free base.
What the fuck?
I always say, I literally always, I said that my entire life. I was like, yo, if I was on any major league team and I had to pinch hit, I would put my ass. You know how nigga intake. Spread your cheeks and cough. Like, bro, throw that 99-mile-per-hour fastball right at my cheeks. I don't care. I'm getting that base.
Bro, I will get a Brazilian butt lift, but get it horizontal, so I take up more space sideways. Right? I'm gonna be looking like that flatfish from SpongeBob. Right? You ain't getting nothing past me.
Nigga just cover the whole strike zone and shit.
Yeah.
Just get hit every time.
You just see Gary Sanchez on the corner, like by my ankle. That's the only space the pitch can go.
Yo, come here.
They can throw like a 60-mile-per-hour fastball and shit. Shit concusses me. I'm like,
damn. Damn.
They're like
around the bases with your helmet on.
Here comes Big D. Jesus after the surgery. Oh, he hits another bunt with his nipples. You hate to see it. Hate to see it.
Amazing.
It's like, bloop.
Yo, on base percentage is gonna be bananas.
My on base percentage is gonna be 1. It's just gonna be a solid number.
1.000.
They're like, this
has never been done before.
There's like, he has the highest on base percentage of every player added together ever in the history of baseball. That's weird.
Amazing. With no hits.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. 0 hits, 0 RBIs.
But
200 runs scored.
But then I get traded to the Mets and start stinking.
Yeah.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, bro.
I'm sorry, Robinson. I love you.
Yeah. You see all the tweets about, bro, Little D's having a bad year, but I mean, like, we'll just him and Cespedes next year, bro. They got us, bro.
Yeah, bro. Come on. Yo, DeGrom's unhittable, bro.
He's the best.
DeGrom's unhittable, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, dog. All right, cool. Yeah, dog. That's like the fucking Game of Thrones fucking scene where homeboy just pulls out a sword against an army of niggas. Like, dog. DeGrom, he can't pitch and hit at the same time, and he can't pitch every day, and he can't pitch 9 innings. So you gotta figure something out over there.
And everybody's like, yo, worry about your Yankees. We're not worried about our Yankees. Listen, it don't look like the Yankees going to the World Series this year. So you see, the year is over as Yankee fans.
Yeah.
It's World Series or nothing. Fuck that. Oh, y'all like semifinals and shit? The fuck?
Ew.
Listen, you want to hear?
We reserve that for the Knicks. Okay.
You want to hear my problematic Yankee take? Winning the World Series is coming. That's all it is. All that other shit, you just pumping away.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just slow stroking, waiting for October. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
Holding that nut in.
You know what they say, bro? You can't script October, bro.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? And that's why homeboy said it like that, because he nutted when they won. He's like, the Yankees win. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, she keeps on sucking. Oh.
Susan, did you get any ejaculate on your face? Like, oh, little, you know, that's a little bit much.
No.
That's a bit much.
John, hey, they don't call me John for nothing.
And John Sterling, bro. He could have been in Pino.
Yo,
and it's
real.
far, it's wide, it's right in her butthole.
It's my cock.
Just John Sterling tearing up some yeeks with the glasses on? Like, yeah.
Yo, that shit's is all fucked up. Nigga breathing that hard, like Michael Cage is sitting there in the corner, like looking at a bowl of soup, like I've never had this before. I don't know what to do.
Oh man, bro. Ooh. That's the new listen, that's another thing on this podcast. We remember Cuckold Fest?
Yeah.
Remember Cuckold Fest? We were talking about Cuckold Fest early. And then all of a sudden, all the alt-right people talking about cuck.
Cuck this, cuck that.
Cuck that, right?
Trendsetters. You know what I'm saying?
And cuck that. All I hear is cuck and this and cuck or that. All you see is us get more platinum plaques. Haha, take that. Bad boy forever.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Trendsetter, moving the culture, baby. You know what I'm saying? All right? Y'all niggas trying to catch up. We mustard, all right?
Oh,
hip hop.
Oh,
hip-hop.
Shit.
Hip hop.
Mustard on the beat, ho. And then
You heard that new? Yo, you heard that new? You heard that new DJ Papayas? Yo, his new single "Recession Special" is burning up the streets. Like, bro. Yo. You're my mango.
Let's get some cheap food on deck.
Some cheap food?
Yeah.
Right now?
Like,
You want Seam Street?
More cheap food options. Like,
I thought you were like, I thought you were saying let's order some food right now. I was like,
let's order some food.
We're not in the same room. Like, this is not Milk Studio. Should we just do matching? Matter of fact, let's just surprise each other. Open up Seamless and order something for me, and I'll order something for you. Let me see. Let me see what options are available in my area at this hour.
Let's see. I'm gonna open my shit. It's gonna be like diner, nigga. Let's see it.
I'm gonna send you something from one of the out in Yo, Jersey.
Fam.
You don't have these options we have here for authentic Bronx food. Okay, we have a little bistro called Burger King. Okay, you ever ate there? All right.
Wow.
So, you know, I know y'all got those big like brick ovens in Jersey and shit, but you ain't getting pizza like this. I personally know this. It's this guy named it's John's Pizza. He happens to be a father, and he really cares about making the pizza.
You got Papa John's out there. Okay.
You know. Okay. All right. My friend, I got this Mexican guy. He makes pizza. He's short, but his name is Caesar, and he been hooking that shit up. So we got that in the Bronx. Like that's
Okay, that's lit.
That's a little Caesar over there.
For here, I got yo. Listen,
what you got?
It's late night. It's late night. You know what I'm saying? We gotta keep the motor running, so I can bless you with some Dunkin' Donuts.
A
little flatbread, little egg white. You know what I'm
saying? I don't mean to rush you, bro, but I only have 18 minutes remaining to order from this menu because White Castle's Kitchen closes at 10:45, which is a fucking lie. Wait, what?
That's that again.
That is fitted. That is straight fitted. Okay, that's straight fitted.
Come on, man. Everybody knows that you go to White Castle. The only time you go to White Castle is when you ripped out of your mind.
3 in the morning.
At 3 in the morning, and you need a briefcase full of food.
Yo, they got
That's when you go.
Yo, I know we always slander White Castle, but some of these menu items, I don't think they even know are on here, bro. What is it? Who, like, I guess if you got a kid, you coming in, imagine you pull up to White Castle, like, yo, fam, let me get an apple juice box. Like, yo, let me get a small decaf coffee, bro. Let me get they got veggie sliders at White Castle. If you at White Castle, you're not allowed to be vegan or veggie or none of that shit. Come on.
You inhaling meat as soon as you walk into White Castle. Like,
yo,
come on, dog. Stop that shit.
Stop it. That's fitted.
And it's straight fitted. The wash it is when you Google White Castle menu, it says White Castle menu, and then in all caps, buy them by the sack.
By the sack, bro. They forced it. Yo, they got an impossible slider. They got What?
Oh, nah.
Nah, you doing too. That's just for gentrification right there, baby. All right. You got to keep it simple, and you got to come in and like a man. Say it with your like a man, or woman, or them. You got to come out. Say it with your chest out. Say I. You gotta get on the mic. Be like, excuse me. Attention, please. Attention, please. Hello. I am a scumbag. Here's $32.70. Please give me the box, the fake cardboard briefcase of 30 cheese sliders. And everyone's gonna be like, and they're gonna hide their kids from you and shit. They'll be like, you monster. You monster. Who is that?
He's
Who is that? He's eating a slider bundle.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm being told I ordered wrong because there's a slider bundle, but then they have the epic road trip meal, which is 30 original sliders, 4 small French fries, and 4 small soft drinks. And the thing is, they're like, that's a road trip meal? Nah, that's at home. That's called
road trip.
That's called extended game of Fall Guys. All right, just sitting there.
Are you wildin'? Yo, my man. Yo, if you eat White Castle and get in a car
on a road trip,
you're asking for trouble, dog.
No, the best is the 4 small soft drinks. So I guess you're giving these to kids. I guess you're driving on the highway with your children after they have inhaled White Castle. Wow.
You thought.
Okay.
You thought.
Enjoy those Corona-friendly rest stops, like, because them kids gonna have the bubble guts.
What? I'm like, yo, y'all shit on the side of the road. I am sorry.
What?
You know what I'm saying? I got these Kim wipes that I got for the camera.
Just using high quality wipes and shit.
These
professional lens cleaner on their butthole, like.
we eat.
You gotta put the atomic clock to your kid's butthole to make sure it's correct and shit. Like, yeah.
All right, y'all all synced up. All right, good. They got desserts. These are foul. Fudge dip cheesecake on a stick.
Mero said they're foul, and by foul he means, if we were smacked, we eat them.
We would eat them.
Yeah.
Gooey butter cake on a stick. Just that. See, you could just tell us that if we smacked. We'd be like, yeah. Give us 20.
There's too much in there. Because it has to hit you in ways. You hear butter, you like, yo, I fucks with butter. Then they're like cake. I'm like, cake, yo, I fucks with cake too.
Cake too, yo.
On a stick. Yo, I fuck with a stick. That shit.
Yeah, you can hold it. You don't
like
even gotta
corn
sit
dog
down.
and shit, right?
Yeah.
Bro.
And it's gooey, so it's like mad, like
it's good because it's not on your hands. So like we being responsible. And then you can use the stick to clean your teeth afterwards.
Yo,
so, like,
facts, bro. Yo, and the stick is made out of wood, B. You could like, you know.
So you're helping the environment. Yeah,
earth.
man. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Bro. Yo, I'm gonna throw up.
That was us in Atlanta. We was mad high. I'm getting mad angry. I was like, so you mean to tell me a waffle built this house? They're like, sir, that's not.
Sir.
That watch the lies. Where I get alcohol from? Y'all got drinks?
Hey, show me the pecans that you used to make the syrup.
Yeah.
I want to know that they're real. You lying us.
Somebody spelled fofery. What the hell is boysenberry? Y'all got girlsenberry? Why does everything got to have a gender? Huh? Why is it? I want syrup on the spectrum. Fuck this.
That's right.
But we walked to Waffle House, and we was like, yo, y'all got drinks? And the guy was like, he just stared at us and walked away. And I was like, all right. Sorry we from out of town. Sorry.
I mean, shit. Like,
shit. How am I supposed to know?
Water and soda. What?
Waffle House, the only drinks you could get are water, orange juice, soda, and like gun lube. And that's it. That's
it. Like, you want a 20-ounce gun oil? I got you.
Let me get a 45 to table 3. I'll be right back, baby. I'll be right back. Yeah, you want the extended clip with that? All right, baby.
Niggas bring you food wrapped in a Confederate flag. Like, yo, what is this? What's going on here?
You just gotta roll with it. Confederate flags. The Confederate flag is not even swaggy.
It's
corny.
I mean? It's
corny.
mad corny. It's not even a cool design. Like, I understand if it was a cool design and shit, but like, it's mad. It's like, fam, it's like wearing it's like literally like wearing a Jeremy Lin Knicks jersey.
All right. Jeremy Lin got a ring. You know, let's
Oh, he did. That's right. Oh, he did.
yeah,
That's right.
yeah.
Oh,
it's
shit.
more like wearing a pretty much any other Nick jersey. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you know her.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I wanted to be like, yo, not chill, but then I'm like, yo, you know what? I can't argue with facts.
You know, I mean, listen. How many Knicks do we see? They just ain't win the battle. They it ain't.
Listen, I feel like that's why they came up with that once a Nick, always a Nick shit, because it's like, yo, listen, you play here for 2 weeks, but you're a Knickerbocker. You know what I mean? Like,
I think probably once a Nick, always a Nick has probably more to do with like contact tracing, like coronavirus, because they're like, yo, you were once a Nick, so we're keeping an eye on you so you don't fuck the rest of the league up.
You know what I'm saying?
Quarantine.
We know you. Yeah, quarantine yourself for at least 14 months.
When you get traded for the Knicks, you gotta stay alone in a hotel room for 2 weeks before you meet your new team. Get the stink off. Like, yo.
Like, this nigga used to play on the Knicks.
They're like, Jamal Crawford, get back in there. He's like, come on, that was years ago. That was
you
years
broke
ago.
restrict. No. We're following protocols. You're not wearing a mask.
Don't break the bubble of winning. The Knicks are on the outside like,
hey,
can I get in?
Hey guys, can we?
Guy, can we come in?
Hey, please.
We brought Sabaros and James Dolan.
We got some hats. We have a harmonica. Julius
ever
does
gonna
a spin move to try to get in and loses the ball out of bounds.
Listen, that Lakers game the other day, watching that game was so good, and just watching it, I was like, at first I was like, I can't wait for the Knicks to come back, and then my mind was like, why?
Yeah,
like what?
Yeah,
what?
It's like if this whole pandemic, I haven't driven a car mad long, so I was just like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna go and drive and do whatever, and I was just like, yo, I'm gonna hop behind the 05 Accord, man, just like old times. We're gonna rip and roar, and I got behind the wheel, and I was just like, nah,
this ain't point.
It's not after driving like, you know, high level vehicles. I was just like, nah, this ain't it. It don't feel the same.
It's not the same. That's how it's gonna be with Knicks games, because like the whole process of going to a Knicks game, and Knicks games were never about the Knicks. This is about the celebrities that were there. Maybe the Knicks win. Maybe the Knicks get blown out by 20. You get drunk. You enjoy some food. You boo at some kids. They tell you don't boo at the kids. You know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But when the Knicks come back, we're probably not gonna be in arenas. So they're just sitting at home watching them, just not like bring the heat.
Oh man, are we gonna be those guys? Are we gonna be like the Lil Wayne, like with the digital zoom?
Yeah,
courtside.
I was actually looking into that because I was like, that'd be pretty cool if like I showed up courtside at one of the like playoff games right now.
Yeah.
Do the digital fun, but then I was like, I can't do that and have people think I'm a fan for another team. You know what I mean? And you can't go on there with another team's logo and shit on. They know the rules, but that's why I gotta go in there with the Boney Goats jersey and let them know, like, yo.
Yeah, but you could do what every New York sports fan does and show up to any sporting event, regardless of team, wearing New York sports apparel. You can go watch the NBA Finals wearing a Yankees jersey.
But see, wearing a Yankee jersey is one thing. Wearing a Knicks hat, that's like wearing a MAGA hat. Like, come on,
fam, go in there with a Knicks hat, a Rangers jersey.
Just confuse everybody. Everybody's
you know
like,
what I'm saying?
You still gonna get people like, where you from? I'm like, Carbondale. I don't know what's give you some hints. Like, but then you also see some of the biggest Yankee fans are not from. They're not Yankee. They're not from New York. So you know you gotta ask these questions.
The Yankees are the Lakers of the major leagues. That's what it is. It just is what it is. When you have like tremendous success over many years, you know, people become, you know, bandwagon fans. You know, but it's cool. We are actually real Bronx Yankee fans. You know what I'm saying?
That's
so check the stats.
You know what I'm saying? Being a Yankee fan is like being Christian. It's all over the place. It's all over the place. It's the biggest religion.
It's ubiquitous.
It's ubiquitous. Okay? Not necessarily saying it's good, just saying it's everywhere.
It's
everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Like, you can't escape this shit.
Also, let's not forget that most Yankee fans are terrible people. We all know this. Not in the whimsical terrible people way me and Mero are. Like a whimsical, like they can murder you and stay on their job kind of way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I want to see that Venn diagram Like,
oh, it's a circle.
It's
a circle, bro.
It's a thin blue circle, man.
They get so you can see like even at Yankee games they get confused because they see me and they're like, oh shit, and they're like, oh shit, that is Jesus. I was like, why? What do you mean it is Jesus? Why? What was about to happen? Huh? What was the first part of that statement? What were you about to do?
Because if I wasn't, what would happen? If I wasn't, what? Huh? Motherfucker.
Yeah, I know what it is, bro. You know, I'm so outraged. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna hop in my private SUV and beef to my driver on the way home. How dare
you?
Michael, stop at McDonald's. I want a fillet of fish. I've had quite a day. It's like, oh shit.
Yo. Oh my god.
You gotta call ahead. I'll be like, can I have some fennel on my fillet of fish? Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please. I am parked in a slot 3 in the parking lot. Please bring it out to the car. Thank you.
They got the shits now. That's the wildest shit I've ever seen. The non-drive-through. It's just like, yo, park here and we'll bring your shit. I was like, yo, this is
It's even wilder over here because the McDonald's have outdoor seating now, like it's France. So it's like, wah, wah, wah. I am eating my artillery looks. I'm like, what the fuck?
Oui, oui. Would you like a McChicken?
But I didn't realize so many people, like, if you got kids and, like, you, like, in the hood, McDonald's holds you down for breakfast. So they had the one around here, you would not think coronavirus even started. Like, that should stay packed. Sadly, everyone that goes to it usually wears the mask below their nose or pulls down the mask to order, which the people have the plexiglass. So they're like, oh, that's on y'all. Y'all on the other side of that shit. Like,
hey, fam, this shit's bouncing right back into your face.
There you go. Bouncing back. Oh. One of the old school rapper needs to do an album from the viewpoint of coronavirus. Ooh, hip hop, experimental hip hop.
What if I was like a virus? You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
You just motherfucking
you niggas use me and cough me out. You know
what I'm saying?
Just cough me out like I'm airborne.
Word. Yo. You know what I mean? Like I got droplets. I'm just droplets.
Damn, son.
Listen, Nas is listening to this right now. Like, yo, you know what? Let me get my pad out.
Bro. Yay, Jungle, open up the studio. We back, baby.
Yeah, let's go. Jungle's like, finally, nigga, damn.
Yo.
I'm starving.
I see some cold nights and bloody days. They grab me, saliva sprays. I'm like, oh shit, he's spitting.
Oh shit, yo.
I was made to kill. That's why they keep me concealed. I'm like, ooh.
Oh shit.
He is rapping about Corona.
He's right.
Wow.
Yeah. A lot of people.
Think about it. Nas warned us of Corona on "I Gave You Power."
That's right.
Think about the line that he said. He says, "Been in the hands of mad thugs."
Yup.
Who do you have? They gotta wash their hands.
That's right.
How do you beat coronavirus? Washing your hands.
Washing
thugs
your hands.
Have coronavirus on their hands. So Nas is calling everyone who doesn't wash their hand a thug because that's what they are. Think about it. Think about it.
It's not, and it's not very specific, okay? It's not dog whistly.
Thanks, Professor Nas. This is me and Mero.
I can't be what I want to be.
That's me and Mero in 10 years where we have hoop earrings and we're pitching terrible shows that are out of touch. I'm like, yo, kids want like a hip hop show, so make like Professor Nas. And they're like,
yeah.
The kids will love it. Like kids 11 to 12, they love Nas, they love Lord Finesse, they love Digital Underground. Like it's a no-brainer. Come on. Run it right after
slam dunk.
Bro, run it right after fucking Paw Patrol. Come on, what your balls will be ahead of that? Come on.
I mean, come on, dude. Like, think about it. Paw Patrol, right after, throw in a little Percy P. Lord Finesse, okay?
There we go. Come on.
Boom. Perfect.
Shit sells itself. Now listen, we got another reboot for you, Charles and Charles. But okay, the Charles is Charles Barkley, and he don't really fuck with the white kids, so. Charles in charge of our days and our nights. He's like, yo, fuck them kids.
Benjamin's Charles Barkley and Charles in charge? That would be the best show on the fucking face of the earth.
Even better, Charles Barkley is Charles in charge. The next door neighbor is Shaq. And every time Charles tells the kids to do something, he be like, don't listen to him. He don't got no rings. He's like,
He's like, Shaq, that's terrible. Why you gotta say that?
Because you don't got no rings. About me? Don't got no rings. Shaq just walks in to roast him and like walks out. Like the phone's ringing. Charles Barkley is like, that phone's ringing. Someone answer it. And he comes through like, I know you can't because you don't know how to handle no rings. And the crowd's like, yeah. Ooh, whoa. Whoa.
And the general comes in like, boy.
Take to the general, say some time. He just peels out like,
Skirt.
When the general walks in, they go crazy like when, not crazy able to sir, sorry. They go wild like when Christina Applegate used to walk in on Mero.
Yeah. It's like, oh, the general.
Whoa!
Yeah,
Whoa! Look at the fucking general! Whoa! But the weird part is the general is dressed like Kelly Bundy from Married with Children. He got the wild tube dress on, like wild sexy with the blonde bangs and shit. It looks sexy general. Ooh.
Yo, not for that. Yo, the general's built like a bottle waitress. Like if you look at him, cause he's like, yo, he's wild thick in the thighs.
Listen, shout out to the general. Listen, John, you want to save some time? How you saving time, bro? General was like, yo, however you want to save time, bro. It's not.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like what happens here stays here, bro. Like
3-5 with thick thighs.
Yo, shout out to Black Ops Cold War coming out. Be sure to sign up for the beta. Just dropping, I think in November, so we can all play as Bodega Hive. We need to in this 5-year anniversary. Things have been going well. You know what I'm saying? We are at the point now. We are situated to do the things that we have been subliminally teaching you to do in this podcast. Now, you already know about us cooing Antifa. Not Antifa. Antigua, right. Excuse me. I got it confused. We're going to use Antifa to take over Antigua. Bomb. And that way, Antigua will be the new headquarters for Antifa. But Trump won't be able to do anything because he's going to... You see the same way I got confused with Antigua and Antifa? He's going to confuse them. So when he goes to the press conference, he's going to be like, we go to war with Antigua. And everyone's like, why? Leave the little country alone.
Why you on mess with us, huh?
And we're gonna rebuild it.
People.
We're gonna have it like ISIS. So we're gonna be walking around in like, I guess, black tracksuits, but they're gonna be like Supreme tracksuits and shit. And it's gonna be dumb hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be super lit. Yeah.
But it's gonna be great.
Man.
It's gonna be.
Can't wait.
You guys, come on. When Bodega Hive takes over Antigua, it's gonna be lit. What else we got doing? We have to. I was thinking.
We got the cool.
We got the cool. Should we assassinate somebody?
Yeah, we supposed to assassinate somebody. I'm trying to remember who.
You know what? Y'all always asking for us to bring back the chopped cheese shirts. So here, if you assassinate someone who's really annoying to everyone else in the rest of the world, maybe you get a chopped cheese shirt. Not saying who, not saying where, not saying what country.
Listen.
Not
even saying you have to do it.
Listen, life is a choose your own adventure book. Turn to page 86.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, this is horrible. And this is how I know I'm fat and I'm hungry, because you just said 86, and I remember when I don't know if it's Applebee's or Fridays, if you order something and you're like, yo, no pickles or no onions or whatever, it'll be like, burger, 86 pickles, 86 fries. I'm like, wow. Remember eating at shitty chain restaurants?
Yeah, man.
Indoors?
Yeah, bro.
I'm at the stage where I'm like, yo, I miss Applebee's. That I never thought I would say that.
Well, come to Harlem because they're still open. Applebee's has outside service. If you ever really wanted that in your life. But no, 86 is a term. When you work in like bars and restaurants, 86 means cut off. So it means like cut off the cheese. But you also use it at a bar. You'll be like, yo, 86 him. You know what I'm saying? If someone's like wild drunk or shit like that. Or we use the other slang that, sponsored by Cash App, just developed by two scientists of verbal technology, the Professor Nice and Professor Mero. Yes. If you see someone acting up, you'd be like, yo. And he's like lying, you'd be like, sir, that's fitted.
You are straight fitted right now. That's straight fitted. Come on, dog.
Come on, bro.
You're big fitted right now. Big fitted. Come on, man.
Come on, bro. Right, like in front of my kids? You fitted right in front of my kids?
I'm here. They here.
Wow.
They know you fitted.
Wow. You just surprised that people just they do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
They do anything, dog.
They're just fitted.
They'll eat a fudge brownie dipped on a stick. Fucking disgusting.
Bro.
God.
Listen.
Yo.
It tastes good though, bro. Don't knock it till you try it, bro.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I'm gonna get smacked to definitely order 6 of these. Like as soon as we wrap. They're gonna come and I'm gonna forget about them. The guy's gonna leave them at the door and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and be like, what the fuck?
Bro, you gotta eat them on Twitch. Yeah, bro. You gotta eat them shits on Twitch, bro. Just real slow. Like, yo.
Yeah. And then get banned. They're like, yo, we banned you for inappropriate. I was like, what did I do? They were like, you know what you were doing.
They're like, Mero was eating White Castle's desserts with no shirt on. You're on, like, what's his name? The guy that was it John Travolta? No, it was he was calling his daughter a fat pig.
Alec Baldwin.
Alec Baldwin, yeah. Just on the ground, like a cheese. Was eating it, like, yo. Yeah.
He's like, you little ungrateful fat pig. I was like, yo.
I'm like,
damn,
who are you talking to like that? They're like,
I'm like,
oh,
shit.
Shocking. Mero, high on the floor of candy, says terrible things about Peppa Pig. I'm like, oh, come on, bro. Bro, it's an international. Bro, she's a child. I know she's 6'9", but she's a child.
She says, yo, come on.
She's a little piglet.
Come on, dog. Yo.
Oink, oink.
Yo, make bacon in the oven. Speaking of pigs, bacon in the oven is delicious. If you ever take bacon dish, you know what I'm saying? Just throw it in there.
Little 350 action, yeah.
You know what I mean? Get that crispy crisp, you know what I mean?
If we're also talking about breakfast hacks, you need to, it's that thing, wait, hold on, I'm make sure I get the name right. Just crack an egg. You see it advertised all the time. It's called Just Crack an Egg. It's microwave scrambled eggs breakfast bowls. And it sounds disgusting because you're probably like, oh, it's like wild preservatives and everything. It's not. It's actual like fresh bacon, like fresh cut up greens and onions and mushrooms and shit. It's wild. It's a lot of plastic, so it's not good for the environment. But you know what? Fuck the environment. What has the environment done for us lately? The environment's on fire. And some of y'all are like, Jesus, that happens because humans did that. And no, the environment wants to go to war with us, so it's on site for you, Mother Nature. When I see you,
I will see my
matter of fact, I'm
fucking gun. Stop playing.
I'm gonna buy some plastic bags and just throw them all over the earth, just to show you we're not fucking around. Don't bring that fire shit to the East Coast, all right?
Fuck outta here.
Don't fuck with that shit.
I'm going on eBay right now to find a 6-pack of cans that still got the plastic key rings around.
I'm about to jump in the Hudson River and fight a turtle. Fuck that.
Fuck that.
And when I say fight a turtle, I mean like a home invasion. I'm running up inside his shell.
That's right.
Imagine you a turtle. You just inside for the night. You just reading the thing. And just hear a nigga just show up like, "What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yo, what you doing, bro?
What's up?
Chill.
Yo, the door was open.
Yo,
by the door, I mean your neck hole. What's up?
Yo, fam.
What's up?
Why you coming in my? Yo, why you just penetrate me like that?
Yo, where's what's up, son? Where's the money at? Where's the money at?
I don't. I'm a turtle, dog.
Yo, that's fitted. That's fitted. That's fitted. Where the money at?
All right. Listen. All right.
Yo, Mitch. Mitch, I ain't playing. I'm gonna shoot your bitch.
Hey. Calm down.
Yo, my nigga, I see you on Instagram eating mad lettuce, nigga.
Listen, that's from the zoo.
Oh,
you know
word?
what I'm saying? They got like I'm an endangered species. You feel me? So that's why you can't clap me. You know what I'm saying? If you clap me, that's like a hate crime. You know what I'm saying? I'm endangered.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
You feel me?
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
I heard you was getting money with Charles Darwin though, huh? What about the Galapagos, huh? What about the Galapagos?
No. That's that. Yo, matter of fact, yo, I'm gonna put you on. The Galapagos was really just Epstein Island, B. The whole shit is made up. That shit is made up, dog.
You know what?
Come on, son. Just yo,
Yo,
let me
April
live.
O'Neil.
Bro.
April O'Neil. Yeah. You thought she was good with y'all? You thought she was a homie?
Oh.
Yo, April, dude, hit that turtle.
Oh shit, yo, April, word. Yo, you too. Wow.
Wow. Wait, what was the deal with April O'Neil? Was one of the turtles gonna fuck her?
I think they trizzed.
Yeah.
To be honest, like
I think Donatello
Michelangelo was Donatello.
They kind of had Leonardo as like the leader, but I think Donatello was kind of out there. No, it was who was the one? It was Michelangelo was the one like pizza and radical and all that stuff.
Yeah,
so he
dude,
probably did
skateboard.
it. Yeah,
You know
but
what I'm saying? He did it raw.
Yeah, Michelangelo definitely did not understand consent. I know that much for a fact.
He's like, hey, let's drink this Bacardi pizza.
Yeah.
Yo, hit it.
Oh, God. It's true. All the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles were evil, like, fucking finance bros.
Yeah,
like
Leonardo.
Leonardo worked at like Morgan Stanley. You could see that. He was mad anal and into detail and shit.
Yup.
Raphael was
Donatello's Elon Musk to a T.
Okay. Raphael was always like weird and kind of like on edge and shit. Why?
Like
Coke.
aloof and shit. Yup.
Do you see that? You know the vibes. Mm-hmm. Okay.
He's giving me Big Tim Cook energy. I get Big Tim Cook energy from Raphael. You know what I'm saying?
All of they were all raised by a rat. So I mean, I guess that's people's fault. I don't know. It fell apart. Like
I couldn't get raised by a rat. Couldn't be me.
No, listen, bro. Look,
You know what I'm
bro.
saying?
Imagine your father was Takashi, bro. Come on.
Oof.
Imagine your father.
Yo, he
was
does have a kid. Yo, he has. I totally forgot. He has a kid.
He has a kid and he wears colorful wigs.
And they're bad. They're not even good. They're real bad.
You know how
They're
bad
like-
it has to. You know how bad a wig has to be for another straight cis male heterosexual person to comment on your wig.
Yo,
That's how bad. And we're not out here like he funny style wearing wigs. We like invest in better wigs, my guy.
get yo, dog.
Like
that's
respect
not even a lace
yourself,
front.
bro. Yeah.
Like that's like like you got that from a Takashi costume at Party City.
It's one of the, it's definitely a big Party City. It's a shoplifted Party City wig. Okay, it doesn't.
1 million.
Did it come with all the accessories and shit? It's been stuffed down
Nothing.
somebody's Wranglers as they come out.
Yeah.
Somebody's
Bro,
selling
like-
it. So it's on the side of East Tremont next to like some
You know
shoplifted
it, you
butter,
know it.
half a jar of applesauce.
Right in front of Frank B's.
All right,
Nigga stole the shit from Frank B's.
with a wild faded Fat Joe promotional T-shirt. Like jealous one still envy too. You're like, oh wow,
Wow. Shit, that's the throwback. Cross Mania.
I got this at Planet Earth on Fordham, the one by the bottom of the hill. The one where they had to buzz you inside. You're like, oh,
Yo, fam.
ooh.
Look, I remember off the pack and I went to Planet Earth and bought 2 Diesel sweaters. Nigga, you couldn't tell me I was a no fucking Pablo Escobar.
Can't tell me nothing. Yeah, bro. Listen, go to Planet Earth, might cop, an Artful Dodger hoodie,
You know what I'm
maybe
saying?
some Visuals, maybe some Red Monkey jeans, some Parasucos.
Little Christian Ardigel.
Excuse me, I'm going to the club. Do you have any iceberg that, I don't know, has Charlie Brown on it? Like,
Yeah.
Yo, relax.
Yo,
Relax.
Fam, you wildin'.
Hey, I'm taking my bitch to the movies. You have any sexy Nautica? They're like, what?
Yo, what?
They're like, that does not exist. None of that exists.
Yo, fam, I'm so sick because I was going through clothes and shit, like to donate or whatever like that. Send to DR and all that shit. Nigga, I found the wild Nautica half zip, like straight like polar fleece joint. I was like, wow, we were doing this back in 1999.
Bro, what do you mean we were? Go to Woodbury Commons right now. Nautica is still fucking popping. All right?
Super poppin'.
And all of us is like, who still wears Nautica? And everyone that wears Nautica is like, us. The people who was invented for. Boat owners. Boat owners, okay? It's not for rolling up trills with Maurice and Kid Mero on East Tremont on a $5 sack, okay?
No.
This is for my regatta. What's wrong with you?
This is for,
All right?
for my 40-foot yacht.
Stop matching my shirts to your Jordans. You're killing me.
This is my sword fishing shirt.
Why do you have my windbreaker on with Tim's? I'm like, yeah, this shit's fire, bro. What do you want? Matter of fact, I'm going back up. I'm getting the Nautica boots. I'm completing my outfit. Yeah, that's right, y'all. We was out here wearing Nautica boots. Not me, but y'all. Okay?
Yeah.
All right?
Don't front. Y'all was rocking that Nautica competition sneakers. I see.
Oh, wow. The official don't pick me and Jim. Okay? All right?
Them shits is called competition because, you was no competition if you was wearing them shits.
You put those on, it was like 1, 2, 1, 2, ain't no competition. You're like, Damn. Yeah, ma. So I'm trying to get sexy tonight. You want to? I don't know. You want to go to Envy? Hold on. I'm gonna go scamming up at Woodbury Commons. I was thinking maybe I'll throw on a Nautica shirt and some I don't know, some 7 jeans. They're like,
oh shit! Woo!
Just wearing some 7 jeans. Everyone's like, are those men or women? It's like, it doesn't matter, bro.
Doesn't matter. They're for all mankind.
They're 7, bro. I'm wearing 7 jeans. My bitch got on mud jeans. All right, you can't tell us nothing. Yeah, bro.
What was the other? There was like another mud type shit, but it was just like an acronym. It was like
for chicks or for
It's for the ladies.
It's for the ladies.
It was like LEI. I think it was LEI.
LEI.
Yes, we're gonna find that right now. LEI jeans.
Yeah, LEI jeans in the 90s. Woo! Woo! Look at
Yo,
get over here, you sexy bootcut bitch. Like, yo, relax. Come over here with your Bigfoot jeans. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We're laughing at these. Some of y'all right now are ordering them off of Poshmark. All right? Some of y'all are ordering the
jeans. Trying
to bring them back. You don't even know the history. Some poor lady in the 90s was wearing them and got street harassed by me and Mero when we both had braids.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Dusty braids.
Yo, get over here, you denim angel. Yo, get over here.
What's good?
What the fuck, bro? Get over here. Why you being You know what? You're not that cute anyway. Get the fuck off the block, bitch.
Fuck out of here.
Bro.
You ain't even from here. What hood you from? You hood hopper? What nigga you coming over here to see?
What? It's funny. People was like, that's not funny. That's terrible. But the thing is, people don't realize at a certain point in your life, if you are a New York City teenager, street harassment does not matter about gender. Street harassment is for everybody. So you sitting on the corner and a girl walk through, you like, yo, what's up, ma? What's up? You talk to her. Some nigga walk through, you like, yo, hey, pussy, where you going?
Yo, what's good? Yo, I got that sour.
Yo, what the fuck you on this block for? Niggas just trying to get to the subway. Nah. You're not walking on this block. Fuck you.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Go the other way.
Go across the street. And you got no reason to do that. You just bored. You are just bored, and you're like, fuck it. We having fun.
I'll be telling people, I'm like, yo, this generation is different. I'm like, yo, because motherfuckers used to get beat up for no reason, just for being the little niggas on the block. You know what I'm saying? Like, you come through with your little friends, y'all all 11, 12 and shit, and all that 18 high school kids and shit. They in a cipher, and you walk by and shit, and they like, yo, come here, yo, little man, come here. The nigga just give you the wild wedgie and shove you and shit, and you gotta keep it moving with your face burning.
So that's why I like 233rd, because we were able to bully people because the train station was on 233rd. So you couldn't walk up 233rd without niggas on 233rd just harassing you. So if you was trying to come from one of the other blocks, you had to walk through one of we call them the minor blocks, like 232nd, or 234th, which actually I ended up living on later on in life. But, which was weird, because then they was like, aren't you from 233rd? I was like, I'm an adult now. I don't rep gangs anymore. I'm paying a lot in rent. It's crushing my soul. So could you stop with the gang signs?
Yeah.
All right.
It's hard though. It's hard. I'm gonna keep it real. It's hard. You know what I'm saying? When you go back to the block and everybody wants to do the handshake and shit, and you're just like, man.
That's the COVID thing now. You're just like, nah, bro. COVID can't do handshakes.
Oh yeah, yo, sorry, my fault. Yo.
Can't dap. Sorry, bro.
We can stack from 6 feet away. You know what I'm saying? But that's about it.
See, that's why me and all my real G's, once COVID came, we figured like we couldn't stack and do like the gang signs anymore. So when we meet each other and shit, we just do like that Irish river dancing. So that's how you know. See a nigga and you just be kicking the feet up and shit.
Yo, what's good? Yo, what's good, my G? There
you go.
You know what I'm saying? Michael Flatley shit.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Lord of the Dance. Nigga, what's up? You know what I mean?
They be like, yo, bro, I love this shit, bro.
Why is he Lord of the Dance?
Because he called it.
Lord of the Dance.
He called it.
Are you allowed to do that? That's like giving yourself a nickname.
It's like when Jay-Z was like, who's the best of all time, Biggie, Jay-Z, and Nas? And everyone looked around. They was like, who said he could do that? Like, he was like, I'm the Lord of Dance. And Usher didn't respond. Bobby Brown did not respond. He won.
Chris Brown
Chris Brown was leaned out somewhere. Yeah. Like,
you know what I'm saying? With a gold tooth, like, yo.
Sleeping on the bottom of a half pipe after skateboarding.
What?
Passed out from graffiti fumes. Like, yeah. His body was shaking. They're like, yo, he's making a new dance. Look, he's making a new dance.
Yo. He's like, seizure. Like, yo, nah. Yo, he got a new joint out called Seizure. Yo, it's fire.
I love it,
yo,
bro. It's about salads, bro. As a matter of fact, somebody has to battle Michael Flatley to be the real Lord of the Dance. I say I nominate Jason Derulo.
Yo, facts.
Jason Derulo. Bring home the Lord of Dance. Bring it home. Is it an award?
Bring it back home. I don't know. It's a title. It's definitely like a title.
Imagine there's like a WWE
heavy belt.
the belt and
I'm
shit.
about to say, yeah, these niggas got the Lord of the Dance belt. LOTD, dog.
Yo.
Heavyweight champ.
Oh, man.
To this day.
Oh, that would be great.
The Irish bomber? Yo, my God.
Just on Showtime, we're just sitting there courtside, like, yo, bro. Yo. I think it's gonna be they said it's gonna be a great match, bro. Can't go wrong with these two. By God, wait a minute. By God.
Oh shit.
That's Michael Flatley's music.
Oh shit.
Oh God. Oh shit.
By God. That's a lot of dance.
He said he was never coming back. He was never coming back.
Oh my God.
He's standing on the ring. He's holding the belt above. Oh my God.
He's hitting that bitch. My God.
Oh wow.
He's hitting that hoe. Oh, he's getting it. He did. Oh no. Oh Lord.
He's doing a sturdy Millie Rock. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like this.
Oh
wow.
No.
Wow.
Oh, he ate it up. He didn't have to eat it up like that.
Everyone's having a very detailed conversation. I think Michael Flatley gonna take him, boy. Yo, watch out. He's like he's sneaking. He's sneaky. He got a sneaky left. And listen, if you see his ankle going up, it's night for his competition.
Mm-hmm. Well, Michael Flatley is not flat tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Folk, I'll tell you that, folks.
What I'm saying is, I don't think he's going to be able to match up with one Jason Derulo. Just Jason Derulo's he's just an amazing dancer. And Michael Flatley might be in over his head. I mean, if I could say something. Flatley, I don't think he has a chance.
Oh, I like that one, Clyde. That was a good one. It was great.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Flatley is putting on his Chelsea boots, getting ready to dance.
We love it. And next coming up to the ring, we have his competition for the night. Wait. Oh, Bago. Is that Jason Derulo? Jason Derulo? I gotta stop that. That's not even like the proper version. I don't know what Kids Bop version this is. Listen to this shit. This is big.
This is Jason Derulo?
This is like somebody remade one of his songs, the instrumental, because it's not how the song sounds at all.
Oh yeah, no, this is Jason Derulo type beat.
This is Jason Derulo. We got Jason Derulo at home, and your mother's like making it with mad pots and shit. She puts it on. She puts it on white bread. I'm like, this ain't Jason Derulo.
Come on, Mom.
This ain't Jason Derulo.
This is Jason DeFaco. Come on, this shit is fake. This shit is waffle gazy.
This is Jason the hamburger helper. Okay, I know what this is. You're not fooling anyone, Ma.
Yo, damn, my nigga's a hamburger helper. Damn, that's a sad meal, boy.
Was it? Because you know what? At one point in my life, I was making hamburger helper. I was making hamburger helper in my first apartment, and I was like, well, you can't tell me. Nigga, I am an adult. You can't tell me shit. My first apartment.
Skillet.
My first apartment had no windows, and because of the fumes, like I would get high while cooking the food. I'm like high-fiving the hamburger helper. He's like, "Yeah, you made it, bro. Yeah, bro. Who runs this town, bro? Listen, put as much meat in that pot as you want. It's your fucking apartment." I'm like, "You tell him, helper." Yeah, I'm a man now. He's like, "You can watch porn at any volume you want. You can do whatever you want. You pay the rent." I was like, "Yeah, helper, you're right."
Yo, Sucio Boy energy to the max, bro. That was such a liberating moment. It's like you know them like those milestone type shits where people are like, "Do you remember where you were when this happened?" Mm-hmm. I was like, "Yo, do you remember where you were the first time you watched Pino on TV with the sound on?"
Yeah.
Like, yo, I was like, I do. It was the Isis Nile scene.
Yeah. Listen. Someone's a man of quality, huh? Okay.
Classics.
Listen. All I'm saying, if the Chromecast is right there and the 4K TV is right there, you know, I turned to the little girl from the taco commercial. Why not both? Why not both? Okay. Yeah, bro. Want to see that crystal clarity, bro?
Oh shit. Okay.
So she out there? She's still making.
She is of Egyptian and German ancestry.
Is she
grew
still
up in Sherman Oaks? She was working as a makeup artist before entering the adult film business in '93. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see. Damn, she was born in '69. So
wow.
I'm going to say that she is not active currently.
Oh, you throwing it back? Wow. Bro, this Jesus Christ, bro. I'm thinking you're talking about someone recent.
No, dog, this is the OG. This is she OG.
Nigga, both you and Martin Luther King beat your meat to her. How you feel? How you feel, man? Come on, bro.
Yo,
Brother, this guy stinks.
Nah, I do remember her. Her.
Yo, Shorty was born when the Mets were born.
Hey, Mr. Met, you want to meet the Mets? I mean, come on, bro. It's right there.
Yo.
Yeah, Isis Nile. Wow.
Yo,
this is back.
This is the IMDb too.
This is back when porn took effort. This is like, hold on, let me put this VHS tape inside the VCR.
Yes, and rewind it.
Rewind it because it ended when I nutted at my favorite scene. So
I gotta rewind. Stop. Rewind. Play. Stop. Rewind. Play.
Oh no! Rewind all the way to the front. All right, let me just fast forward through these 900 number ads.
Yo!
Yeah!
Oh my God! Yo, the blow. Them shit's used to blow mine. I'm like, yo, fam. My parents are gonna be home any second now. Any second, my parents are gonna come through that door, and I didn't defrost the chicken.
Bro, I remember in what was it, senior year, we never went to class. We would just go. Shout out to East 110. We would go there to the PJs over there on 2nd Avenue, and it was my man's grandma's apartment, and she was never there because she was always like traveling and shit. So we go there. There was like mad Pino tapes and shit, and we like shoplift Pino tapes for 42nd Street, Pino DVDs and shit. Yeah. And niggas would come there, and so niggas was sitting there watching it. And I remember like one of those 900 number, because remember they would always do like, yo, guy on girl, and then it'd be like girl on girl, and then some of the freakier ones really quick they'd be like guy on guy. They'd be like, hey guys, the guys wouldn't do nothing, but they just have like one guy with like a water hose just kind of like touching his chest. Yeah. They was like, you want like hot studs? And the guy have like an open flannel shirt. It was
always that, and it was the same dude. It's like the guy that does the mixtape drops. Yeah. It's like they had one dude doing Pino drops. He's like, do you like it hard and deep? Call 1-800-DEEP-TOOL.
I remember one of the older kids was like, yo, don't ever watch that. That's how you turn gay. Close your eyes when that comes on. And I was like, don't listen to him. What the fuck is he talking about?
Fam, I remember being a teenager and like looking back now, I'm just like, fam, we really sat in a room 4 deep, 5 deep and watched Pino.
Just chilling.
Like, what were we doing? Just chilling. Just chilling watching Pino? What are we doing?
If you want to know how wild my teenage years were, one Friday night, I specifically remember, let me see. Oh, yes. My boys were watching, it wasn't even, this probably wasn't teenager. I came into the basement and everybody was watching the first Sex and the City movie. No one had a shirt on. And I was like, why?
What are y'all doing?
Why are you doing this? Like, what's going on? And it was like, it was on. Like, what the fuck? Because they had cable. And I was like, all right, cool. And I was like, so you guys ready to do what we came in to do? And it was like, yeah. And we went outside and we fired the guns we had just bought the night before. Just firing guns in front of the house. I was like, you guys don't see the juxtaposition of like what's going on here? And then because we fired the first gun, it worked fine. Second gun, it didn't fire, but the kid didn't know how to like take the safety off. So he gets the second shot off. As he's getting the second shot off, we're like, all right, we've been outside, it's probably hot. We go inside. Then I'm like, oh shit, we left the shells outside. We should go pick those up. Open the door. There's mad fucking cop cars outside. Ooh. And it was like, yo, what the fuck? So we run inside. So it was mad niggas with no shirt. And I was like, yo, everyone get in bed. Everyone pretend it's like niggas are sleeping. So everyone got in bed, like just chilling. And like dude's mother came from, like not his mother, like his aunt comes from upstairs. And was like, yo, someone was shooting outside. What is going on? And we was like, oh, niggas was just sleeping. Da, da, da. And she was like,
yeah, no, we didn't hear anything.
She was like, oh, okay, all right. She just looked at us like, oh, y'all was sleeping 3 in a bed, in 2 beds.
Oh, 3 in a bed, in Jabos and Jordans, and
yeah,
no
with jeans on.
Yeah, okay.
And then after the cops left, like we outside, we was like, yo, that's crazy. We almost got caught. Yo, one of these hating ass neighbors fucking called the cops. Can't believe that. And his sister came out. I called the cops. I knew that was you. Y'all was playing with guns. I hate y'all. And I was like, what's my problem? I was like, yo, she's a wild. She's boring. I was like, she's a wild buzzkill. Don't bring her around no more. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, who hates on guns, nigga? Like, come on. Let's go. Matter of fact, everyone got their gun? Shit, let's go to crowd fried chicken. I hope we get into trouble. Ah, yeah. Just waiting for the smallest little incident to turn into, let's shoot this nigga. But then you run into another crew that also has guns, and you realize that you're like, all right, I guess we gotta shoot the fair one. Oh, fuck this.
We could fist fight.
Yeah, fuck it. And then it's like if you know the older kids, like you let the young kids fist fight, you just catching up and shit because you went to school with the older. You was like, yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up, yo?
Bro, you want to?
Oh shit. Is this?
Oh, them niggas fighting.
Damn.
Yo, that young boy in your team, he got a left hook, boy. I ain't seen nothing like that since 96. Shit, boy.
How you been?
I'm good. You heard that new Sons of Man album? Oh man, that shit's.
Yo, they still got it.
They don't listen. Got it. They don't miss, bro. Mm-hmm. They don't miss.
Shit.
I heard someone say they missed, and you know what that was? Fitted. Wow, that's right. Straight fitted, bro. Straight fitted. All right. You know what I'm saying?
God
you know what's not fitted? The reign of the Bodega Boys. 5 years in this bitch.
You know what I mean?
What the fuck? You know what I'm saying?
And I've been looking at black female adult stars on IMDb.
Hey, there you go. That's the Susio stuff there, bro.
Yo.
All right.
Yo.
We keep it Susio, no fitted.
Fam, number 10 on the list.
Who?
Black lady.
Just straight black lady?
Black lady. That's her poor name. Black lady. That is the laziest name. What the fuck?
No, that's a real person. That's a real person. Because she has that sketch show with Robin Thede.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets, stay fat like Tyrio, a.k.a. Pockets, stay fat like... Here we go! Listen, bro, I had to do it. I had to do it to you, bro. Some of them might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H. Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Yo, shout out to all the cutie pies, all the little... I wanted to kiss you on your sweet summer heads. Because all the people in the comments today, they were like, wow, you guys used to do the AKAs in the beginning? Yeah, we did. And remember, at one point we had to decide whether we're going to get rid of the AKAs altogether or we move them to the end. Because if you remember, we used to say the AKAs twice.
Yep.
All right? And then you guys were like, wow, this podcast is an hour and a half, but there's only a half an hour of content and the rest is just you guys reading the AKAs. So this is how you get the AKAs in the end, and we slow down adding AKAs. But let me tell you something, and I'm going to warn you. The same way Trump has warned Russia, if you guys don't knock it off, we'll start adding more AKAs.
Listen.
Matter of fact, I didn't want to do it. I got a new AKA for today. So when you see it, you're going to see it. Somebody might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's, laying with a rando. Put that peri-peri sauce on my chest, man. 1994, whenever you're at. Hooray! Mikhail going off. MC Lukagungapi. The Juve boss. Put up for 40, which is shorty, next to me, shooting in the bubble. And they're like, get off the court. And also, you're breaking the bubble. Why are you in here? I'm sorry. I turned left. I turned left at Ed Center. I'm kind of lost right now. Sorry about that.
The teacup's over there, sir.
I know, but it's just like I don't have enough money to get into Magic Kingdom, and well, I don't want her to know I'm brokey. So like,
life hack: just get a wheelchair.
I mean, I could do that, but I literally have no money. We climbed the gate to get in here. Like Mickey's like, oh shit, Goofy's looking for us. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Hey, there they go. Get them.
Oh shit, man, bro, come on, bro. Hey, don't talk to me no, I don't know you. The original +1 got a +1. So don't make a fuss then. Act like you've been here before. Desus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Mazel Tov and Wadaguan. You know the stuff.
Wow.
You know the fucking vibes. Yeah. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Let's make a toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chikunari. Without the coonery. That's right, baby. A.K.A. Tilly Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Low. Okay.
Papi, we're not making the playoff, but that means we get early vacation to Diamond and the Chappies, papi. Let's go. Hello. Got it. You with us?
All that warning, all that winning, it takes too much. It takes too much and nobody wants that. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't a ring, it don't matter. Also, you know what it is? The Yankees have too many brown people on it now, and Mike, I know brown people, they're not a big fan of monogamy and staying in people's lives, so they probably think a championship ring is like a wedding ring. I'll hang up and listen. What do you think?
I gotta say, I gotta agree with you. There. Yankees, tremendous franchise. The only problem is hate to say it, in the current climate, but a lot of lazy, Latinos, Afro Latinos in particular.
In sad news, we'd like to report yet again, Mike Francesa has been canceled. Mike's off.
And he's ready to go
on the New York Sports Radio.
He's still Leonard's browsing wines and cheese.
3-Phone Jones, DJ Ex Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Doctor behind his label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, collect my Pinot Blurry. As you see in tonight's episode, we like our Pinot Blurry, all right?
Yeah.
We was watching Pinot. We was watching Pinot back when it was like in 96K, all right?
You know what I'm saying?
She was disgusting, bro.
What, you ever watch Pinot on dial-up?
Yeah, bro. Come on, bro.
Yeah.
You're scaring the kids, bro. Yeah, listen, it's DJ Woolite, a.k.a. you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we have a song that is near and dear to the heart of any real Susio boy or girl or them that's been listening since episode 1.
Oh, shout out to Moose T.
Listen, y'all better know this.
Let it drop.
Wait for it, here it comes.
Let's go. Now you gotta do the clap.
Listen, that's official Susio Boy anthem forever. Okay? Don't ever get it twisted. That right song right there.
To this day.
All right, that
Susio
is what you call Susio energy, baby. Yo, it's the Curry Gold, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't potato, the human memory word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racing provocateur, Hedrick Budcoast, Nelson Bank Delip, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human word is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more Hot Magambi, Mott Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of news, the Prince of Peck, and the Fashion Nova Casanova. We made cent, 5 cents, 10 cent, $1. Forget the small change, give me big money one. You can't even sing that song nowadays because no one has change. Nobody has change. You go in stores and like, do you have change? I have change. I'm not giving it to you. Fuck you. Fuck you. All right?
I don't want to brag, but I got a George Costanza size wallet with a special compartment for change, and it's currently full. Nickels, dimes, pennies, quarters. What do you need?
Get this Sam Cooke change going comb ass nigga out of here. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, man's is Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro. Richmond Hill for life, kid.
Come on. Toronto should have won the last game, bro. Joe Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Softpaw, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. That's right. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Yeah. And I want a special warning to Crystal and Kid Fury. Y'all been slandering Sunny D, and it's 100% valid and right. Like it is. Yeah, there's like vegetable oil in it. Like what the fuck, bro?
It's thick. Ugh. I never drank orange juice that was thick.
It's thick.
You know
it's like it going down. It tastes like what you cough up. So that's it's like bile, citrus bile. Remember, Sunny D, the official drink if you think your kid has bad vibes. David Yerman, these expensive, these red bottoms, these bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coon, aka the Junior, NG God Junior. Come sit down, Palmy Chanja.
Sit on it, no wireless. You must interface.
Call me Petco, cause I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. AKA Grandpa Joe's
the best, bro.
Yeah, bro, come on. What do you mean he's the best? Like, that even has to be said. You saying he's the best means someone said he wasn't the best. Who the fuck said he wasn't the best, bro?
I don't know, but let's go find him and fuck him up.
You know, I think it was those fucking jerks at the Babylon stop. Come on, let's get in there. Let's go fuck them up, bro.
Let's go.
Matter of fact, I'm so fucking mad. I'm gonna use a peak ticket. I don't give a shit. Fuck that. My daddy got money. I got a lacrosse scholarship. I don't need this shit, bro. Fuck that.
I go to Iona.
Bro. Bro, let me tell you. When I graduate, I'm gonna own myself a car dealership and maybe a diner. You're gonna see.
That's right.
You're gonna see me. Well, I'm gonna have season tickets front row for the Islanders, bro. Listen, I'm living good.
Every time, bro. We're gonna be like the Marlins guy, but for hockey.
Right now, if you excuse me, I gotta go to my Amazon locker. I got a 95 PLJ vintage jacket that just came in, bro.
Wow.
Yo, Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie right next to him is me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Charlie's like, yo, my man will shoot you, and I'm like, I will shoot you. I will shoot you. I will do it. It's your man, Dead Eye Desus. Morning, Sheriff. Be a real shame if I went on a tube site and didn't watch the ad before the Pinot and just clicked it when it said click now after 5 seconds, which is kind of theft of ad revenue. Things getting a little dry now because of Corona. So if you got something for me to steal, I could steal your attention.
But some of them are good. Some of them aren't that bad. Some of the pre-rolls are like, yo, are you touching your cock right now? Just looking at me? Are you super turned on?
Every porn company, I want you to hear something, and this is very important. I need you from now on. The only pre-rolls you should make are ones where the volume is turned all the way up and a lady is shrieking or moaning. So all the dirty people trying to watch Pinot on the low are exposed. I want where they click on a link, you just say, oh shit. All right.
Just looking for that little speaker icon in your tab. Like, yo,
There's 2 types of loud on MacBook. There's find the speaker icon and there's close the fucking MacBook loud. Okay? Yeah, I know the difference. You know.
It's just so fast you shatter the screen.
Yeah. They know when you go to Apple, they was like, oh, making beef stroganoff, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Even worse, you slam the screen down so hard the screen won't turn back on. So now you got to take it to the Genius Bar, knowing the last thing on your screen was hardcore Pinot. Ooh. That's a bad area to be in, my friend. Yo, shop that street easy with a bad breezy like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina and the Mesh Marina was fresh misdemeanor and cold demeanor. A.K.A. the street mask killer. Illa. No one could be illa. The black Zach Morris support Morris. Young KPI for all my marketing people. It's your personal Jesus, aka the Peloton, aka your problematic bae. It's not a family if you don't acknowledge them on 9/11. And it's your new AKA. It's your guy, JPI Queso. You know the vibes. You know me. All right, you know the vibes. You're gonna find out more about JPI Queso and the Queso Gang in upcoming episodes of this podcast.
Yo, oh boy, it's your motherfucking boy coming in.
He's coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Isis Now's #1 fan since 1969.
There you go.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. Don't violate my DMs. I will embarrass you, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. Yeah, that's right, a.k.a. Skirt Loader. Jump the curb, hit your fucking dog, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. Your leash is less than 6 feet long, stupid. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing you a favor. You know what I mean? I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guesses because y'all were so fucking hyped to come back out. That shit got sit back down. Now we allow, there's 4 people in a restaurant now.
Yeah,
that's
we had 25% capacity. We had 25% capacity, bro. What do you want, bro?
The fuck? Yeah, I got 3 chairs. This empanada mama, dog. I'm trying to get some fucking Viagra empanadas. The fuck? You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bath here, AKA Tiger Backwards, smoke a 3 grand blunt to hit you with this 9 iron, nigga. AKA get into this shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA Smash Montana. I went from roaches in my cereal box to deers in my backyard.
There you go.
I think I'm doing okay.
The glow up.
Yeah. Hey, I got all my kids. I got my kids all 2021 fully loaded blank. Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. If you would like to fill that blank with your automobile, please contact me at thekidmero@.com. Thank you. A.K.A. Bismack Biombo. A.K.A. Diego Maradona. A.K.A. Dickie Bay Matumbo. You know, call me this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, it does not. I say that often every episode, but I backtrack and I let you know that I respect your agency, my queen. And I will only enter with your consent. Enthusiastic consent. At that. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dundada Daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA I swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Stop trying to play me. Before I call your manager that DVR's the #1 show on late night and knows everything about us over here because she is going to embarrass you, my friend. So just put the motherfucking holiday Reese's in the bag. I don't care that Halloween's canceled. And we keeping it fucking moving. That's go.
True. That's true, bro.
AKA Romeo Santos. Wow. Tu favorito, mami. Let me find out. Yo, listen, I know COVID is serious, but I'm doing private concerts in your house. So if you got a girl, call me up. You know what I'm saying? I'll come swab your nose, and in 24 hours, I will come eat her butt. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a man of the people. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lighten El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you've been coronafied. You know what I'm saying? So I can't share my blood with you. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brazier, girl, got my more balls more deflated than Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? We were the Table Shower Boys. You know what I mean? It's open now. You know what I mean? We fully functional, getting oiled up. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? Especially that Milky Way that you leave behind on your panties. You know what I'm saying? After
Ooh, nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty and hot at the same time, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to catch
course.
me smelling your panties. You know what I mean? I want you to be like, yo, smell my panties.
I mean, unless you're into that. Unless you're into that, Mrs. Falwell. I mean, whatever. Like, I know your husband's not really doing the right thing on that, bro.
Listen here, fella. I got no problem. I'll just stand right here and stroke my little pecker while you guys have some fun. It's no big deal.
Oh man, bro.
You know,
Nasty,
you know what,
bro.
I'm gonna say this. It's pretty funny actually. I thought of this on the way over here. When your BBC flops out, it falls well. Get it? Falls well.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Yo, AKA Lil Snoozy for first nigga to tap on our live. Been social distancing for pre-Rona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA. That wasn't a Coke drip. That was, you know what I'm saying, a little nasal. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
Say what?
To smoke with me.
Say what?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Because they're doing outdoor now. You know what I'm saying? Outdoor hooks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I probably won't be around much longer, you know, post-November, hopefully. You know, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm in Mar-a-Lago, fixing a child's sternum with a golf club. Candy, please, when you come back from the chocolate fountain, dip your nipple in it. Thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Once again, I want to maintain that I'm not Herman Cain. Thank you.
He's dead, bro.
Yeah. He passed away, sadly. You know what I'm saying? I open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. I got all your shorties bagging up but Nilsey. And we're shutting down for an hour to sanitize. A.K.A. live harassing patrons eating al fresco. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TV is fucking and Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Leave. You know what I'm saying? You don't want 4 6-chain tracks, boy, especially at Whitlock, because they don't see you coming out the tunnel. You know what I'm saying?
You know the vibes, bro.
That's right. A.K.A. Man, blimey, I almost always forget this part of the AKAs where I have to remind you, bloody fools, that there's only 2 rock stars left on this planet, mate, in this fucking universe. It's the Bodega Boys, mate. You know what I'm saying? Of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. And I'm gonna shame you for not wearing a mask. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm pulling mine down every 2 seconds, you know what I mean, to take a pull of my fag. You know what I'm saying? Which is a cigarette, mate. Okay? It's British slang.
It's true. It's true.
It's
We're
British slang.
We're British. We know these things. We know these things. If you guys don't,
what I
that's
mean?
not y'all.
It's British. It's your fault. It's your fault.
Grind boys them. Grind boys them.
Grind boys. You know what I mean? Shout out to Stormzy. You know what I'm saying? Fire in the booth.
You know the booth.
AKA, I met my friend says I'm never going to fail. AKA, he's eliminated, but he's still getting buckets. He's back in the league, ladies and gentlemen. Barmelos Anthony.
4-3.
Bang! He might be a Knick next year. Who knows? Who cares? Let's do it. Hey, if you see me a target higher than a motherfucking pasa ladder, approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal, stay 6 feet away and play dead. Well, I might react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers, because I'm free. Free balling. I'm free balling in every interview. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after you're late, even though it's a socially distant Zoom birthday party. And I don't actually know what to do because I'm more of a hands-on guy. But speaking of hands-on, here's my guy, Mr. Fun Fun, to take over while I jump the van because the battery's dead.
Hey kids, heard so many kids' birthdays in here. Let's sing the birthday game. Hey little kids, what's your age? Do you know a thing called consent? This is something I'll teach you.
Whoa!
What happened?
Whoa! Hey!
Trying to teach these kids about, life and stuff.
I heard you say, listen.
Any of you kids want to learn what it means to be an emancipated minor? Like
No. Okay. All right, come on, let's go. We gotta go. Bye. Close. I'm slamming the laptop down.
Remember, look for me. It's a U-Haul truck that says free candy on the side. You know the vibes.
Okay, I sold Fake Lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high with some turtle wax I found in my garage. You know what I'm saying? I don't even care anymore. I'm not even mixing shit. I'm just finding old shit and giving it to you. You know what I'm saying? And now, it is time. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que guau, llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, es más loco todo el sicario de los varios, bajando con la pámpara prendida. No me de cotorra que el palo que ya tiene, Tito te tumba coco, mamá huevo. Váyase de ahí que conmigo tú no vas a sonar. Que lo que aquí, hey, de aquí para allá yo tengo la calle prendida 4814. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Casa, Showtime, shout out Cash Shop, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan que pone la fucking nota, shout out Desus bueno, la nota jamaiquina, we're gonna do this cool, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Mati, el papi de la ley de 24 quilates, shout out Nena de la Bodega, Dai la más dura, la planta insuperable, Vicky la más loca, todo piecito de miel, secretario de, shout out, mi secretario de defensa, Pío, activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Llegó mi hermano Friki, 12 años por no ser boca floja, yo no hago coro con palomo. Que descanse pa' mi hermanito Sexor y mi hermano Chadwick, que descanse pa'. Te quiero, mi hermano. No hace falta. Quédate en la casa y lávate la mano. Aqueroso, el presidente no sabe de lo que está hablando. Wash your hands, wear your mask.
That's right, you know the fucking vibes. Another one, another great episode. You know the fucking vibes. Yo! You know what it is. It's been 5 years.
Yes.
You know the vibes.
That's right.
Yo, special shout out to Hasan Insane. Shout out to Die. Shout out to Vic. Shout out to Victor, the God. CV. Right. Shout out to Victoria. Shout out to all the Bodega Hive members, everyone that's ever listened to this podcast. We thank you. It's an honor to make this podcast. And the fact that you've been rocking with us for 5 years. As nasty as we make this, or the Sucio, everything you've enabled us to do, benevolent boys, you know what I'm saying? Bodega Dreams, all that.
Feel me?
So, you know what I'm saying? From the bottom of our little Bronx hearts, we want to thank y'all for rocking with us. And you know, the brand is strong, and the brand remains strong.
To this day.
To this day. Yo, we out. BX Power.
Y'all keep it strong. You heard?
Yo.
Have any of you watched Lovecraft Country yet?
Nah, man, I like my sci-fi Caucasian. Okay? tired of this. Tired of these social justice warriors. Everything. That's what Black Lives Matter wants to turn everything. Everything got to be goddamn Black lives, huh? Was Frankenstein black? Huh? Was Dracula black? They're racing our heroes.
There's no Germans in black. There's no Germany's. There's no black people in Germany.
Let me tell you about our important area warriors. Jason Voorhees, when he killed those kids over by Camp Crystal, okay? He did that as a proud white American, God damn it. Trump 2020, motherfucker. That's where I'm voting. This is going to be at the debate. Trump's going to be talking about they're trying to erase our villains.
That's right.
A white man can't kill a black person anymore in horror anymore. What
Tough
happened?
Terrible.
What happened? Do you see this new movie? It's about some guy. He's like the Candyman. He's black and he's scary.
That's right.
You know what's black and scary? Chicago.
It's terrifying.
Scary. Yeah, terrifying. Boo. Okay.
Bodega Boys.